have my watermelon plant. And down here we have 2 watermelons that were looking really promising until a pest came along and ate them. This, unfortunately, I don't think is ever going to grow to full size because of what this pest has done. So what I'm going to do is cut it open and just see what's going on inside. I'm going to do this one-handed so I can film, and I hope I can get a good shot. Oh, there you go. That looks like the inside of a zucchini or cucumber almost. That is so interesting. There you go. I don't think that's edible. What's it smell like? It doesn't even really smell like watermelon. It smells like zucchini. I'm going to taste it just because I'm curious. Nice. What does it taste like? It's not particularly flavoursome, but it tastes like a really mild dragon fruit almost. That's actually really nice. Not as flavoursome as watermelon, fully grown. But that's interesting.